No copyright intended. I do not own the music in this video or rights to this music.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to discuss data mining and show you as well the example of the database that I have been working on. So without further ado, let's begin. So what is data mining? We can say that it is a process of extracting interesting knowledge from the large amount of data that is stored in many data sources such as file systems, databases, data warehouses, and also knowledge used to contribute a lot of benefits to business and individual. So a data mining architecture system contains too many components. That is a data source, data warehouse server, data mining engine, and knowledge base. So in data sources, there are so many documents present. That is a database, data warehouse, World Wide Web or WWW that are the actual sources of data. Sometimes, data may reside even in plain text files or spreadsheets. So, the World Wide Web or the internet is another big source of data. So for now, I am going to give an example. And I've chosen the healthcare system for the data mining. So, in healthcare, data mining is becoming increasingly popular and essential. The data gathered by the healthcare is complex and voluminous. To avoid medical fraud and abuse, data mining tools are used to detect fraudulent items and thereby prevent loss. So, there are three main reasons why I use the healthcare database, for an example. Because the healthcare management, the data mining method is used to identify the chronic diseases, track high-risk regions prone to the spread of diseases, design programs to reduce the spread of diseases, and the healthcare professionals will analyze diseases and regions of patients with maximum admissions to the hospital. So, with this data, they will design the campaigns for the region to make people aware of the disease and see how to avoid it. This will reduce the number of patients and admitted to hospitals. So the second reason is for the effective treatments. Using data mining, the treatments can be improved by continuous comparison of symptoms, causes, and medicines. Data analysis can be performed to make effective treatments. The data mining is also used for the treatment of specific diseases and the association of side effects of treatments. So the third reason is for the fraudulent and abusive data. The data mining applications are used to find abnormal patterns such as laboratory, physicians results, inappropriate prescriptions, and fraudulent medical claims. So for now, let me show you the screen that I recorded to demonstrate the things that I have gathered or I have inputted inside my data. So you will see the database that I'm using, which is the SAP. So let me begin. So first, I am running the app, SAP or the PHP MyAdmin localhost. So I'm creating a database which is hospital, and now I'll be followed with the number of columns, and yeah, we should have at least the table name first. So I am naming it A procedure. First table is procedure, and there are 3 columns, and let's run this name. And now inside the table I will create a columns which is the code, the name, and cost. So code is an integer, the name is text, and the cost is real. So save, and just click OK button and proceed. And let's create another table name. and this is the trained in. And for first column, physician. Second one is treatment, certificate, or certification date, and certification and or certification expires. So the certification date is date, and so on the certification expires. So for the next table, the table name is room, and the first column is room number, and the second one is room type, the block floor, and the block code. For now, I'm going to add another column, and for the last column, it is unavailable. The room type is text, and the unavailable is Boolean, and save. So another table. Table name is stay. First column is stay ID, followed by patient, room, followed by start time, and let's just add another column and name it end time. All those things are in type except for the start time and end time. So I'm going to change that into timestamp, and it is invalid, and now I'm going to change the end time for the time type alone, or time type instead. Save, and let's create another table. Table name is nurse, and let's just add one more table, or one column. The first column is employed, or employed ID. The next one is name, position, registered, and SSN. The name is text type, and position is also text type, and for the registered is Boolean. Save. So let's create another table. Affiliated with physician ID, or just physician, department, primary or primary affiliation, save. Time to create another table name, which is the prescribes. First column is physician, patient, medication, and date. Let's just add two more columns for the appointment and those address, phone, and let's add two more columns for insurance ID. So at this time, I was just skipping or making things fast. So doing the same routines, just watch till the end. At this moment, I am done creating 15 tables and their columns inside the table. And those are the affiliated with and the appointment, the block department, medication, nurse, on-call, patient, physician, prescribes procedure, room stay, trained in, and undergoes. So each tables has the samples, and it is shown there on the screen the things that I have inputted or inserted inside my database. So